头下去。
Thunder. Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia until 8:15 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Waynesburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Waynesburg around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rogersville, Spraggs, Nineveh, and Mountain Morris. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette and Greene. At 7 p.m.